morning, teacher.
Good morning, Vidit. Okay, welcome back to our virtual field trip. Okay, so it's about Mysore Zoo. Arav, it's about Mysore.
Ma'am, again we need to see the teachers.
No, no. Oh, Riyan. Riyan, only the last 5 minutes of the video we will watch. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
okay see, Zoheb and Arav are
Again.
listening.
Ma'am, say again.
Nothing, nothing, Riyan. Just
Again.
wait. Okay? We will just watch the last 5 minutes video. Okay? And in the middle, small glimpses of some animals. Okay? Of elephant and bear cubs. We will watch that. Okay? It's very interesting. So we will watch that. So this is about Mysore Zoo. Okay?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Now mute your devices, Zoeb. Good morning, Zoeb. Have 168 species of animals. Okay?
It's early morning at the Mysuru Zoo, and the beginning, of course,
Here now,
turn they add cows, get their breaks in their diet, and they are fed fish
I just want to show you the
specimens.
elephant.
Sees likes to wave at his admirers like a music conductor. Abhi, one of our Asian elephants, loves to make his own straw hat. He'll put it on and take it off several times a day.
So, which is the heaviest land animal? Hmm?
Ma'am, I want
Which is
to
the heaviest land animal?
Elephant.
Yes, it's elephant. This
This ostrich pair might look like a happily married couple, but for some reason,
and
the male
children, tallest and heaviest bird is ostrich. Okay? This is ostrich. This one.
seems to regard his keeper too as a potential mate. Anytime he's nearby, the male will woo him with an elaborate courtship display.
Oh no, sorry.
Likes to take it easy. Likes to take it easy. Whenever Ganesha gets
So, Arav and Zoeb, these are the two bear cubs, okay? Names of these kids
bored,
are
he will
Ganesh and
cajole the reluctant Durgi into a friendly wrestling match. It's all in good fun. No one hurt. Animals in the zoo can also exhibit a surprising level of intelligence, with special visit privileges and entrances to a couple of flicks of the tail and falls off and will be collected by the keeper. Animals can also get affected by ticks and fleas. Today, it is the turn of these burrows abandoned wild and sent to us when she was just 6 months old.
see, it is an abandoned elephant, okay? The name of this elephant is Chamundi.
Her keeper feeds special milk
Devices, children, so hey, please mute, okay?
formula several times a day. Like all youngsters, Chamundi can be greedy. After gulping down
So and so we watched till here, okay?
her milk, she will raid her playmate's lunchbox. The Gaur calf must eat quickly before Chamundi finishes everything. Meanwhile, it's feeding time for the other orphans. Sometimes, babies born at the zoo are not properly looked after by their mothers and have to be painstakingly hand-raised. These hyena pups are just a few weeks old, but have insatiable appetites.
Hey,
They are absolute rowdies and can be quite quarrelsome at feeding time.
Let me admit them, okay? Just give me 1 minute.
One of our most popular exhibits is our newly redesigned snake house. Here, you can come face to face with the heaviest snake in the world, the green anaconda from South America, or the
So, what is the heaviest snake in the world? In anaconda. Yeah.
longest venomous
Yeah, yeah.
Asia's king cobra. A male like this one can grow to 18 feet in length and raise nearly 1/3 of its body off the ground. Our walk-in is also popular as they allow visitors to stroll among the birds. The star attractions in this aviary, the black swans. Our zoo has been a great venue for inspiring a love for nature in young minds. Every year since 1992, about 60 students have been handpicked for a year-long program involving lectures and field visits. The students are taught various aspects of nature conservation, which we hope will instill a lifelong empathy for the natural world. We also pride ourselves as a clean and green zoo and recycle much of the organic waste that is generated. Mega herbivores like rhinos, hippos, and elephants eat vast quantities of food. Of course, what goes in does come out. Our keepers have their work cut out, clearing these mini mountains of dung. We ensure that none of this waste goes to waste. From the pens, herbivore dung is sent to the vermicomposting yard, where it is slowly converted to a rich natural fertilizer to keep our gardens lush and lovely. The best time to visit our zoo is in the morning or evening, when animals are at their most active. From entry to exit, the pathway through the zoo is 3.2 kilometers, which you can cover in just a couple of hours. But we recommend that you take it slowly to get the most out of your trip. But do avoid the middle of the day if you can, as it's a time when most animals rest. While most visitors come to our zoo to see animals, we also have a great variety of trees from all over the world. Some are as old as the zoo itself. For over a century, these grounds with their magnificent trees and animals have been an important part of Mysuru's rich heritage. It has been our constant endeavor to provide the best conditions for our animals and to ensure that visitors have a memorable day at our zoo. We are immensely proud that what started as a Maharaja's private menagerie has evolved into a vibrant and dynamic public institution. With continued support, we hope to make Mysuru Zoo even better in the years to come.
Now tell me, how is our virtual field trip?
Zebra. Very, very super, super, zebra. Super, very nice.
So how is it? How is our virtual field trip?
Good.
Good. Okay. One by one. By one. Yes. Al Kaliputhu, tell me. Actually, sorry, Arav, I can't hear you. So,